Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Chiommy Creative Kitchen with Joy. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to prepare this delicious, yummy banana egg roll. If you want to know how I prepare it, just stay tuned. So I will start by pouring in a sufficient amount of cooking oil. I'm making use of sunflower oil. Any cooking oil of your choice works as well. While waiting for the oil to heat up, I'm going to prepare the dough. In the mixing bowl, I pour in 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Then to it, I add baking powder, followed by the salt. Give it a quick stir. So here I'm going to add my grinded nutmeg. You can use grated nutmeg, it works as well. So now I'll mix them up. After stirring them well, I'm going to add 25 grams of butter to it. With my clean hand, I'm going to mix them until I get that crumbly texture. Be careful while adding butter. Don't add too much butter because it will make it to absorb excess oil, and we don't want that, don't you? So keep mixing it. If you're using your bare hand, make sure you wash your hand before you start this process. So in the cup, I'm going to add my overripe, I call this one annoyingly ripe banana. When you look at it, it looks like the banana is no longer good. My dear, the banana is still okay. So to get the rich flavor of this banana, I recommend you to use overripe banana, just like this one, okay? I slice them, cut them into small chunks and pour them into a cup. To it, I will add my raw egg. Next, I add my 1 tablespoon of evaporated milk. Then, 1/4 cup of brown sugar. If you have white sugar, it works as well. So, but I prefer brown sugar. So, I'm going to blend all these things together using my hand blender. You can use your stand mixer or stand blender to mix this up, okay? I'll continue to blend it until it is very smooth. Once I'm through with the blending, I'm going to pour it into the flour mixture. Then I start mixing the dough. Are you still watching but you have not subscribed to my channel? Subscribe, it is free. Hit that red button that says subscribe and the notification bell and the option select also that you'll be aware anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget to like after watching the video and share it with your friends. Thank you. Now I'll continue mixing the dough, but I'll fast forward it and I'll be right back. So finally, we have achieved the smooth dough we are looking for. Here I have 6 boiled eggs already peeled. I will use kitchen paper towel to absorb the excess water from the boiled egg. I'll dry it one after the other. Just keep watching and see how I did it. Here I have 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour for dusting. At this point, I'm going to divide the dough into 6 and form balls with it. Now that I'm done making the balls, I'm going to fold in these eggs one after the other into the dough. So watch me carefully and see how I use my palm to flatten the dough like so. If the dough is sticky, you can make use of this flour. So this flour is for dusting. As you can see now, watch me and see how I dust my hand with the flour, like so, to avoid sticking. Now I'm going to use my palm or my fingers to make sure that I spread the dough and make a little thin layer of it. Before I will add the egg, so keep folding it gently until you use the dough to cover all the parts of the egg. Then once it is covered, you can twist it around like so to avoid the egg roll breaking open while frying it. So watch me. Make sure you roll it around. Take a look at this. Once I finish rolling it, I will dust it with the flour. Look at this. Dust out the excess flour. Then I'll set it aside. I'll continue the same process until I am through with the whole dough. Okay, I'll make sure that I cover the whole eggs. Yeah, now that I'm done with the eggs being covered, we are going to turn over to the oil to see whether it is hot. Remember, don't use very hot oil. Make sure that your stove is at the medium heat. This will enable the egg roll to cook well and at the same time not to break easily open or get burnt as quick as possible. So see how I put the dough gently into the oil. Are you still watching but you have not subscribed to my channel? Subscribe, it is free. Hit that red button that says subscribe and the notification bell and the option select also that you'll be aware anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget to like after watching the video and share it with your friends. Thank you. Don't forget not to overcrowd your oil, because when you put more or you overcrowd your oil, it will cause the oil to be absorbed by the egg roll. So here I'm going to fry it 2 batches, 3. After the first 3, then I'll fry the next 3 so that I will not overcrowd the oil. And at the same time, I'll keep on turning it so that it will not get burnt. Okay, I'll continue frying them for about 8 to 10 minutes until they are well cooked. Tantalam! Finally, as you can see, the egg rolls are ready. I'm going to take them out from the heat and place them on the kitchen paper towel to absorb the excess oil. Guys, I can feel the aroma of this egg roll. The banana has taken it to another level. This is heavenly. Wow. Oh my goodness, I can't even wait to give it a bite. If you like what you're seeing, please don't forget to give me thumbs up. Tell me what you think about this recipe. Give it a try at home. I promise you, your family will not be disappointed. Thank you for watching. For my returning subscribers, thank you. You people are amazing. Till next time I come your way, keep eating healthy and stay safe. See you in my next video. Bye.